Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, well done, as I said. Well done. Hang on, something's happening now. I'm stuck in something. Let me just get rid of that. Okay. So we've done that. Any questions? Does anybody want to ask me anything about what we've learned so far? Anything that you'd like to emphasize on, certainly next week or the week after? Is there any, please? How you say to a Māori, do you have any questions for me, especially if you're a lecturer or if you're somebody who's sitting in front of somebody and you want them to kōrero to you, to talk to you. The way to invite them is two ways. Kōrero mai means talk to me. Kōrero, you already know that. Kōrero means talk to me. Or pātai, pātai mai. And I've already told you mai is towards you. Mai is always towards you. Haere mai. So kōrero mai means talk this way to me. Pātai, P-A-T-A-E, is question. Pātai mai, question this. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to do so.
Pātai, just Cynthia, it's Paul here in Whangarei. We did a course once, and it was run by this Lebanese guy. I think he was Hasidic Lebanese, and he grew up in America. And he said whenever they did readings together as a family at the table, they always chanted the Gospels. And for me, I can see the wisdom and the beauty in chanting because it takes into that other space. But for me, I feel quite nervous about doing it because it's not, I don't know, I haven't done it enough for it to feel natural and comfortable. So I suppose, is it just practice?
Yeah. Yeah, chanting, of course, as in Arabic. I listen to Arabic music quite a lot. I love it. And I also listen to Indian music as well. And I like the lilt, the real, you know, so when you're chanting, as you say, Paul, you lose yourself in this meditational proclamation of the word, be it whether you're proclaiming it to yourself or to others in the group. And of course, Muslims do that too. I love how they chant. It's beautiful. I get goosebumps. I may not necessarily know what they're saying, but I can feel it. And so it is about that feeling that's invoked by chanting. And before the flash guitar came along, Māori only ever chanted. So when I was a child, we used to have what's called a blackout, and they used to blow all the candles out. My parents used to blow all the candles out, and they used to chant scripture.
Wow. From memory.
Wow. Thanks for sharing that. Any other thoughts?
I do see it's time for us to draw to a close.
Yeah.
So wondering if we could, if there are any urgent questions, maybe we could type them in to each other and send them in to me or to just Cynthia, and we could address it next time maybe.
Yeah.
But yeah, if we can.
Kapai.
Thank you.
Let me just bring our closing Himene and the grace back up on the screen. Now, of course, you've learned this one now, and it's just simply to repeat after me. E toru ngā mea, ngā mea nunui, e ki ana, te pai pera, whakapono, tūmanako, ko te mea nui, ko te aoha, And let us say the grace together. Kia tau, kia tātou, kia
Atapai, o tatu arihi, o karai, te ara o atua, e te te tanga, te tanga tapu, ake, ame.
Nō reira e te whānau a te karaiti, tēnei te mihi atu ki a koutou, pai ki te kiti a koutou anō. Nice to see you all again. And any feedback that you'd like to offer, please do so. Continue to do so, either to myself directly or certainly to Megan. Tēnei te mihi atu ki a koe, Megan. Kia pai tō wiki. Enjoy the your services. If you're going back to your services, please enjoy them. Being a whānau again. Kia ora, everybody.
Bye-bye, Cynthia. Thank you.
So, ka kite anō, and I'll see you
Ai,
again some other time.
Kite anō.
ka kite anō.
Kite anō.
If you can pause stop the recording now, Cynthia.
Oh, that's right. I'm in charge, eh? Where is it?